We can have 0 sodium potato chips. Russet potato don't have any sodium. The nonstick sprays don't have any. I've tried all of these. Avocado, Pam, olive oil, coconut oil. They all work just fine. I just don't like the taste of the coconut oil. Whenever I do these, I line my spices up and I do them in rows so that my taster people can tell me what their favorite is. I had 2 surprises doing this. The first one is that the favorite is done with Italian seasoning. Then the next one was the garlic. But everybody liked all of them. My second surprise was that most people said, these don't even need any dip, they're so good. Mrs. Dash has got a lot of seasonings. Lemon pepper, Mrs. Dash doesn't have any. But if you're using lemon pepper, you might want to check, because a Google search of lemon pepper, the milligrams of sodium go from 320 to 720 for a teaspoon. We have to watch our spices. I mark mine, all of them, with their sodium count. 1 teaspoon has 2. Then when I want to use them, I don't have to look them up again. They're all here. 1 row is Mrs. Dash Extra Spicy. Potatoes need to be cut about 1/8 of an inch. I have this nifty little knife that I can adjust to the thickness that I want. Knife came from Italy. I bought this years ago to slice bread. I just kind of like using it, so that's what I use. Amazon, Target, Walmart, and even my grocery store, Bed Bath & Beyond, have graters that have 1 potato peeler across it. And you just take your potato and push it like this, and you get these nifty little slices. Parchment paper on a cookie sheet. Saves a lot of cleanup. The time that it takes to put the parchment paper on here is a whole lot less than scrubbing up the oil that you put on here and bake it. My potatoes are going to go in my oven at 385 degrees. They're sliced, they're spiced, and they're ready to go. The length of time that it takes to cook them is going to depend on the thickness of your potato. Mine aren't exact, so some of these take a little longer than others. But they're all good. In 25 minutes, I had to take 3 little ones out. 30 minutes, a couple more. 35 minutes, they're all done. We could have made all of these potato chips with no sodium in them, but I did use a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. At the most, there's 2 milligrams in all of these. We have a good snack ahead.